What's going on this morning, family? Phoenix checking in. Sitting here working on my hot water issue. So, I'm still not getting no hot water out of the hot water side. The hot water tank is filled with hot water. I flushed it and it was good and hot. A lot of calcium came out, so now I'm wondering if the line is clogged somewhere. So I tried to spray it out from the shower, from the outside shower, right here. And the cold water will come out of that, but then it won't, the hot water won't come out. So I'm still confused, and the drain is right here. So now I'm starting to wonder, is it like a pressure situation as far as like air pressure or something that's not shooting the water out? Because even in here, it cost me some money too, because I cut 2 of these out. See, I replaced 2 more. See, they worn. And here goes the one from the outside to the house. It's worn. But when you cut it on, it's not shooting out. And this is directly out of the water heater, so I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. So I know I got hot water, and I replaced this line. And I even opened up another valve. I'm going to show you this other valve because I can't figure this out. So I got this other valve over here. And this valve is a release valve. And that's all that comes out once I try to release some hot water. It's like a little pressure being there, and then it's done. Don't do nothing else. So right now I'm kind of confused. I'm flushing the black tank right now. So I'm flushing it out. I think it's about done. And I'm gonna go in here and look at the inside of this water heater, just to see if that's the situation, because I may be tripping. It might be something back there that I'm not looking at, but I can say this. The water was coming out, and it stopped while I was washing dishes. So I haven't had hot water because I washed dishes in a couple of days. So I done had a couple cold showers, not that bad, but I want to fix the situation, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take you in here, let you see what I got going on. Let it get dark on us. Dark in here. So this is what we get. So if somebody know what's going on, I want you to check this video out and let me know if I'm missing something. But this is the back of the water heater. Okay. This is what I got going on back here. So this is like the water coming in, and it's cold. And here, it's even hot there. The water there is hot. It's hot there. My line is even hot right here. So my line is hot here, but it's not releasing. So what do you think it is? Is it something that's like a release, a reset or something here for the pressure? If it is, let me know, because I don't know. I've been trying to find it. But that's what I'm working on right now, man. Let me know if you can help me figure this issue out. If not, if I figure it out, I'll post another video and let y'all know what I'm working with and if I find it out or not. Hold on.